Far beyond the warmth of the sun, where light fades into the cold silence of eternity, lies a world of blue storms and eternal winds. Neptune. It is the last true planet of our solar system, a frozen giant swirling in endless motion. Its atmosphere, a haunting mix of hydrogen, helium, and methane, gives it that deep sapphire hue, a color so calm, yet hiding chaos beneath. But Neptune carries a secret, a companion that moves against time itself, a moon that refuses to obey the rules written by the cosmos. Its name is Triton. Triton does not orbit Neptune the way our moon orbits Earth. No, it moves in reverse, circling its planet backward. While every other major moon in the solar system follows the spin of its planet, Triton drifts the other way, a lonely rebel dancing to its own rhythm in the outer dark. Why? How? What force could twist a moon into such defiance? Astronomers still whisper these questions today. Triton is not just another moon. It is a world with mountains of ice, geysers that breathe nitrogen, and frozen plains that stretch for hundreds of miles. It's a place where the sun is just a bright star in the sky, and every moment feels like the last flicker of light before the universe turns to shadow. Yet, despite its silence, Triton speaks through its orbit, its surface, and its mysteries. And when you listen closely, you can hear the story of a moon that should never have been here at all. Long ago, billions of years in the past, Neptune was young. The solar system was wild, filled with chaos and collisions. Planets danced in new orbits, moons formed and vanished, and the sun burned brighter than it does today. Then, somewhere in that early chaos, a wanderer appeared. Triton was not born around Neptune. It came from beyond. Astronomers believe it was once part of the Kuiper Belt, that distant ring of icy worlds beyond Neptune's orbit. A rogue traveler, perhaps a twin to Pluto, drifting alone through the darkness, until fate or gravity brought it too close. When Triton passed near Neptune, something extraordinary happened. The planet's immense gravity pulled it in, slowing its motion, bending its path, and capturing it. The moment was violent, cosmic, and final. Triton became bound to Neptune forever. But there was a cost. In that instant, the new moon's orbit turned backward. It didn't follow Neptune's rotation. It opposed it, a retrograde orbit. It was as if Triton fought back, defying the planet that had enslaved it. For Neptune, it was a victory. For Triton, an eternal prison. This capture may have destroyed Neptune's original moons, tearing them apart in a storm of gravitational fury. Only fragments remained, scattered to the planet's faint ring system. Triton took their place, a lonely monarch ruling over the silence left behind. Today, Triton is a world frozen in time. Its surface, coated with nitrogen and methane ice, glows faintly pink under the distant sunlight. The temperature there? A staggering minus 235 degrees Celsius, one of the coldest places in the entire solar system. Yet, despite the cold, Triton is not dead. Beneath that frozen crust, scientists believe a hidden ocean might still exist, a world of liquid water locked beneath layers of ice, warmed by tidal forces and the faint heat of radioactive decay. When Voyager 2 flew past Triton in 1989, it revealed something that shocked astronomers. Geysers, tall, dark plumes of nitrogen gas erupting miles high into the thin atmosphere. Triton was active, not a lifeless rock, but a breathing, shifting world. From above, its surface looks like an artist's dream, ridged plains, frozen rivers, and patterns shaped by ancient winds and flows. The South Pole is a strange, bright cap of frost, while the rest of the moon is streaked with dark patches where the geysers have sprayed soot and dust. It's beautiful, haunting, and alien, and yet something about it feels familiar, like Earth's polar deserts, only cast in eternal night. Now imagine the view from Neptune itself. Its deep blue storms swirl endlessly, its winds racing faster than any hurricane on Earth. Above, its moons circle in graceful arcs, all except one. Triton moves against them, carving its own path, turning the wrong way through the sky. Every orbit completes, it fights Neptune's spin. This defiance drains energy, slowly and visibly, as gravity pulls against it again and again. With each passing century, Triton's orbit decays a little more. It is spiraling inward, ever closer to Neptune. One day, perhaps millions of years from now, it will fall, drawn too close to escape. When that moment comes, Neptune's gravity will tear Triton apart, shredding it into countless fragments. And then, from those fragments, something new will rise, a ring. Astronomers believe that one day, Triton will become Neptune's brightest ring, a glowing memorial to a moon that defied its master until the very end. There's a strange poetry to it, isn't there? A moon that refused to follow the rules, destined to become the planet's final adornment. The rebel will become the crown. But Triton's story doesn't end there. Its backward orbit tells us something more, something about the history of the entire solar system. If Triton was captured, what else has been captured? How many other worlds out there drifted alone before being trapped by gravity's pull? Could life exist on one of them, hidden beneath the ice, silent in the dark? Triton might hold answers to questions older than humanity. The frozen seas beneath its crust could harbor chemical traces, the same building blocks of life that shaped Earth billions of years ago. Every detail of Triton's orbit, its icy surface, its strange geysers, all of it speaks of ancient forces, of creation and destruction, of motion and stillness. When Voyager 2 passed it, humanity glimpsed something beyond imagination, a world that moved backward in a universe that always moves forward. And maybe that's why Triton feels so haunting, because it reminds us that even in the grand machinery of space, there are still things that don't fit, things that challenge what we think we know. As time flows on, Triton continues its silent, rebellious dance. Each orbit brings it a little closer to its fate. Its frozen surface, its geysers, its ghostly glow, all will someday vanish into Neptune's blue storms. But until then, Triton remains one of the most mysterious worlds ever discovered. It's a moon born in chaos, captured in violence, and destined for destruction. A story written in ice and shadow, circling endlessly at the edge of the solar system. When you look at Neptune through a telescope, remember this. Somewhere out there, a moon moves against the flow of time. A moon that refused to obey. A moon that turned its back on the sun and carved its own destiny. Triton is not just a moon. It's a symbol of defiance, of survival, and of the fragile beauty that exists even in the coldest corners of the universe. And maybe, in that silent reverse orbit, we see something of ourselves, small, fragile beings moving against the current of an infinite cosmos, still daring to wonder, still daring to ask why. Because that's what Triton truly is, a question written in the stars. And for now, it remains unanswered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the wonders of our universe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who love the stars too. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a journey through the cosmos. Keep looking up and stay curious.